Hi, my name is Mrs. McKenzie, and today we will be learning about mammals and birds in a nutshell. Did you know that animals with a backbone are called vertebrates? A backbone is a row of bones in the back of an animal. Scientists have classified animals with backbones into 5 groups. They are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Mammals are covered with fur and hair. They give birth to live young and they feed them with milk. Mammals use their lungs to breathe. Humans, goats, sheep, lions, tigers, dogs, cats, monkeys, and elephants are all examples of mammals. Birds, on the other hand, are covered with feathers. They have beaks to help them eat and wings to help them fly. Like mammals, birds have lungs to help them breathe, but unlike mammals, birds' youngs hatch from eggs. Take a look at this animal. Based on the characteristics, would you consider it a mammal or a bird? This is an example of a mammal. See the fur? Can you think of just one difference between mammals and birds?